Welcome to the Digital Tourism Show, episode 271. And in this 5-minute workshop, I want you to do something a little bit more creative. Now, tour operators, guides, and customer-facing staff all have one thing in common, and that's interacting with customers. They show their passions for the destinations that they have, share their stories, and guide those customers through the amazing things a destination has to offer. If this is you, you have got what it takes to do exactly what you do day in, day out in front of a video, and share that on social media or any other platforms so potential customers can get to know you before booking. This really helps make a connection even before you meet in person. I understand that many of you are a little bit off recording video as you start to think about the logistics, how you're going to edit the footage, add music, and maybe even add a nice little intro. Forget all that. With this workshop, I'm going to make it super easy for you, as all I want you to do is to take your phone, head out to a nice part of your destination that you know well, maybe it's a hidden gem, and fill one 30-second video per day for the next 7 days, and then post that up, as raw as it may be, on your social media platforms. This will get you not only used to recording video, but I'll also allow you to test how your audience on your social media platforms engage with it. Was there a specific video that really was engaging the audience? Maybe it was a particular story or topic. If so, maybe more of that type of content will help persuade someone to book with you. To help, I have provided a guide on planning and shooting video, which you can download using the link in the show notes below. Now, for me personally, I love video marketing, so I can't wait to see what you all produce, and feel free to post up some of your best videos in the comment section of the relevant Facebook post on my Facebook group for this episode. Can't wait to see what you guys produce.